Marvin, as far as the hospitality is concerned, excellent hospitality. I mean, we have been welcomed all over. I've never been to Quickie. We enjoyed our tour there as well. I think the people really enjoyed the cricket and really supported us there as well. And now we came to Mutare, and it's excellent place, a lovely place, beautiful place, and I hope our boys will enjoy as well. Oh yeah, as far as the cricket standard is concerned, I think Zimbabweans are a bit lacking in terms of their technical abilities, and I hope their coaching staff and the Zimbabwe management is doing. Probably they must have a plan to improve their standard as well. So hopefully in coming years, if they have a good coaching structure in place and domestic cricketer structure in place, they definitely will improve their standard of cricket as well.